YouTube, got a letter here from August Lento. He is, I believe you're the founder of D1SC, the Dodge Yacht Club. So those of you that haven't heard the reference before, everyone says that our cars are boats. And Mr. Lento here set up a car club on Facebook called D1SC, or Dodge Yacht Club. The topic of today's video is going to be car clubs. What car clubs are you guys a part of? A lot of you guys know that I am part of CDCC, which is the Colorado Dodge Challengers Club. There's a few other groups that I'm part of on Facebook, the All-Wheel Drive Mopars Club. Just joined the Dodge Yacht Club, just different groups that I like to be a part of to talk about these great cars that we really enjoy. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about the Dodge Yacht Club here, show you what's in this envelope that I got, and if you guys have a car club that you want more members or just more people just being part of, talk about them in the comments below, and let's see if we can just build this Mopar community that we have here. Inside this envelope here are the instructions along with the car club vinyl, which I'll show you right now. So that's basically what the logo looks like, the Dodge Yacht Club. And inside all the instructions is a harder card, and inside that card is the logo. So the logo goes on the car or whatever it is that you want to get it from, but check out the Dodge Yacht Club on Facebook. It's actually a pretty cool group. Ended up joining up with them. A lot of conversations going on. If you need tips, hints, ideas about the car, or you're having trouble with your car and you just want to talk to other Dodge Challenger or Charger members, you can just bounce ideas off of them. It is like a no troll zone. So honestly, if you're new to the whole car scene with the Chargers and Challengers and everything like that, is a great group to be a part of. Nobody's gonna razz you or anything like that just because you have a silly question. It may be a genuine question to you, and other people are going to give you a genuine answer. So check them out, the Dodge Yacht Club on Facebook. Also wanted to talk about another item that I'm getting from one of our subscribers. I actually have been wanting to do a video with Bruce Bickett II regarding his all-wheel drive Charger. He's got NOS and a few other things done to his car, but he's declined to do a video with me at this point right now because he's still trying to get a few more things taken care of, get the car set up and ready for a video. But in the process of him doing his setup and everything like that, I'm actually going to be getting some spyder headlights. So replacing the factory headlights and with some spyder headlights that Bruce is sending to me, and I just wanted to give a public thank you to him before I got it, and I'll also do a video of the install of this video as well. So again, Bruce, thanks so much for the gift. So I appreciate all of the support that all of my subscribers give me. I appreciate every view, every like, every subscribe that I get, and the support that you guys give me when you send me products to review, test, or just place on my car here. Appreciate every single one of you guys when you do that. If you have something that you want me to review, or if you guys want to just send me fan mail or whatever, just hit me up on Instagram. I'll let you know where you can send that. And again, thank you guys so much for the support that you've given me over the past year and a half of me doing this channel. Really, the build that I have here, wheels, strut braces, Bruce's lights that he's sending me, Art Gorski, the exhaust cutouts that you've given me for this vehicle. A lot of the stuff comes from you guys, my viewers, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you so much for the support, and I look forward to a long future of doing videos for you guys. Again, if there's a topic or anything that you guys want to see a video on, just put it in the comments below. I do my best to reply and read every single one of your comments that you give me. I appreciate the Mopar community that is out there, and let's try to make this a better place. So, got the perfect spot right there for my D1SC sticker. Should fit in right there. Let me double check here real quick. Yeah, it'll fit right there. Maybe the hole will go right in the center of the C. We'll make sure that fits there. Got the isopropyl alcohol to clean off the oil, and we'll surface prepped and so cleaning the surface with alcohol is pretty important. I normally keep my engine bay fairly clean, but as you can see, even with alcohol, it pulled a little bit of dirt from the surface there. So just peel the backing off. You apply the decal down. Just run a credit card over. Just make sure you get all the bubbles out. And once you get the bubbles out, you take it and just peel at a sharp angle. And your decal's in there. Kind of close to the hole there, but that works out. So check out the Dodge Yacht Club on Facebook. Again, great community right there to share ideas, photos of your car, modding ideas, and all that stuff. So there you go.